AI influencers are already making thousands online. And here's the kicker. They don't even exist. No late night editing, no showing your face, no big following needed. This is the new wave of online side hustles. And today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can create your own AI influencer with Pykaso and monetize it instantly on Fanvue. Now, you may be wondering what an AI influencer is. Basically, think of it as a fully digital model that posts flawless content, never gets tired, and scales infinitely. AI creators are popping up across TikTok, Instagram, X, and most importantly, Fanvue, where audiences are already paying to subscribe and interact with them. The truth is, people don't just pay for a face. They pay for consistency, content, and a connection. And with AI, you can deliver all three without burning out. Let's build your first AI influencer in real time. Step 1, head to Pykaso.ai. Inside, you're going to create an AI character by naming it, uploading some reference photos, and letting the system train a model for you. That's it. No code, no advanced setup. Once the model is trained, you can actually generate entire photo sets with simple prompts. Maybe beach shoots, city lights, or even futuristic cyber looks. You can upscale the best shots so they're crisp and professional, and if you want to go further, you can create short AI videos, like posing at sunset or walking in neon streets. The point is, you can have an endless content engine in your hands. Step 2 is where the money starts. Now, bringing that content onto Fanvue. Fanvue is a creator platform where fans pay directly for your posts, subscriptions, and interactions. Once you sign up and complete KYC, which is a quick standard ID verification, so you're payout ready, it's super simple, you set up your creator profile. Give your AI model a short bio, upload 6 to 12 starter posts, and set your subscription price. Now from there, Fanvue gives you multiple ways to earn. You've got monthly subscriptions, one-off tips, paid messages, and pay-per-view content. And here's the best part. If you sign up through the link in my bio, it's going to be down below, Fanvue actually gives you 100% off your earnings for your first 7 days. So every single dollar that you make goes directly to you. Now, you've got the content and the storage set up. Let's talk about growing it. Your AI model is your brand, and like any brand, visibility matters. Start by posting short teasers on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. 10 to 15 seconds with trending sounds and a caption that points people to your Fanvue page. On X and Instagram, use carousels and eye-catching stills. Now, you don't need a huge audience to make money here. I hope you understand that. Even a few consistent posts per day will funnel inevitably curious people to your Fanvue profile. Once they're there, your bio, pinned post, and subscriber perks do the heavy lifting. Now, the beauty of this entire system is that it's scalable and repeatable. With Pykaso, for example, you can generate a week's worth of content in an hour, then schedule it all in advance. With Fanvue, you can turn those images and clips into real income streams without any extra overhead. It's basically a business in a box. Create, upload, monetize, repeat. Rinse and repeat process. So, if you've been waiting for the right side hustle, this is definitely your chance to start one with zero barriers. You don't need to be on camera, you don't need an existing audience, and you don't need to grind 12 hours a day. You just need one AI model, a Fanvue profile, and a system to post consistently. Want the full step-by-step PDF that shows you how to earn $1,000 in 7 days? Click the link in the bio or the pinned comment, download it free, and start your AI influencer today. That link also gives you 100% of your Fanvue earnings for your first 7 days. Having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. As always, keep in mind that we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that review on our channel, so do your own due diligence. Once again, thank you for watching. Let me know how it goes, and I hope to see you all in the next video.